Hello fans, happy and a prosperous new year to you. 2026 is gonna be a year of exploit, breakthrough in our various endeavor. So, wow, my light is not shining. Happy New Year. It's New Year already, so no need for no motivations again. It's discipline. It's time to take actions. And I believe by now we've drafted our to-do list of the year. So, but before I go into details, I would like to welcome you all this year, and also let's review some security checks. But before that, I have a story to tell. So during the new year, I was reviewing my apps. I was doing a security check. So I came across my LinkedIn app, and I found out that my two-factor, I haven't enabled my two-factor authentication. Jesus, I know it will sound awkward and weird that a security analyst should overlook such basic, security measure. So it now dawned on me that sometimes we do preach what we don't do. So now I'm taking it up to all of us here that pick a security check, update your apps, review your password, adopt a strong password and a strong password policy. What do I mean by a strong password policy? Periodic change of password and periodic review of password. There are some passwords that you may use that you used 5 years ago, 4 years ago, but this time around you can't use it because hackers are crafting very sophisticated payload and tools. There are very sophisticated tools that can break password if it is not strongly built. So set up your two-factor authentication. And also enable passkeys in some apps that do have passkey. So thank you once again for giving me a listening here. So this is the our motto for the year: leverage, not repetition. What do I mean by leverage? So now we are going to what we've done previous years, last year. Now we are going to stand on that existing foundation to build something tangible. What do I mean? So this year is more of gaining expertise and what we've been doing before. So we can't go into another thing, into another lab or into another section without becoming expert or without becoming solid on the previous things. So that being said, and this year I've decided to retire from work. I'm going to take passive rest from all work. So I'm going to concentrate more on giving your people education and fun-filled content. So this year I'm going to go into content creating in a very detailed and serious way. Remember, it's gonna be educating content. So that being said, and we're also setting up a brand. I'll say review it sometime. So we are going to set up a brand, both my tech brand and also my business brand. So you stick with us. You follow us along the year. So and also we are going to be keeping each other accountable. Yeah, we are going to be keeping each other accountable. So as the year runs out. Thank you once more for giving me a listening here. Happy New Year once more.